Welcome back to AI Desk, the podcast where we try to keep up with AI so you don't have to. I'm Rowan.
And I'm Naya. And today feels like one of those weeks where, if you blinked, you missed 3 major things.
Yeah, this wasn't a slow news week.
Not even close.
All right, big picture first. Why does it feel like everything just sped up?
Because it did. We're in a phase right now where every major AI company is pushing updates at the same time.
So not just steady progress, more like a pileup.
Exactly. OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, everyone is iterating faster, releasing faster, and competing more aggressively.
This episode is brought to you by Mad Cheetah and their new album, WTF, Where is the Forest? It's eco-pop engineered for the future. Bold beats, global rhythms, and a message that actually matters. If you want music that hits your brain and your heart, explore WTF by Mad Cheetah. That's MADCHITA, streaming now on all major platforms. Okay, but what's actually changing? Like, if someone's just using AI casually, what's different this week versus last month?
2 big shifts. First, models are getting better at reasoning. Not just answering, but working through problems step by step.
So less guessing, more thinking?
Closer to that, yeah. And second, they're getting more agent-like.
We keep hearing that word. What does it actually mean?
It means AI doesn't just respond. It can take a goal and carry out multiple steps to complete it.
So instead of write me an email, it's handle this task.
Exactly.
That's the part that feels like a shift.
It is. We're moving from AI as a tool to AI as something closer to a collaborator.
Okay, let's talk about the part that got a little weird this week.
Which one?
The security stuff.
Yeah.
I saw headlines saying AI can now find vulnerabilities and basically map out attacks. That sounds not great.
It depends how you look at it.
That's never a comforting sentence.
So here's what's actually happening. Researchers are testing AI systems in controlled environments, like simulated networks, and asking them to find weaknesses.
Like ethical hacking?
Exactly. Same concept. The AI scans code, systems, connections, and identifies where things might break.
And then it explains how someone could exploit it.
Yes.
Which is where people start getting nervous.
Right.
But also, that's useful.
Very useful. Security teams already do this manually. AI just speeds it up.
So the cool part is defenders get faster.
Exactly.
And the not cool part is everyone else does too.
That's the trade-off.
So it's not that AI is suddenly hacking things on its own.
No, it's that it lowers the effort required to understand how systems can be broken.
Which changes who can do it.
Yes, you still need intent, but less expertise.
That feels like a pattern with everything AI related right now.
It is.
Make something easier, faster, more accessible.
And it scales in both directions.
Okay, let's zoom out for a second, because there's also a lot happening on the business side.
Yeah, the alliances are shifting.
OpenAI and Microsoft aren't as tightly coupled as they were.
Right. More independence, more flexibility, more competition.
Which probably means more products, faster.
Exactly.
And at the same time, big tech is getting deeper into government work again.
Yes, and that's controversial.
Employees pushing back, companies moving forward anyway.
That tension isn't going away anytime soon.
So on one side, we've got rapid innovation.
And on the other, big questions about control, ethics, and use cases.
All right, real talk.
Go.
If AI is getting this powerful, why does it still mess up basic stuff?
Because capability and reliability are not the same thing.
I asked for a short answer yesterday.
Let me guess.
5 paragraphs.
Of course.
So we have systems that can reason, plan, and simulate attacks.
Yes.
But still don't fully understand, be concise.
Correct.
That might be the most accurate description of AI right now.
Extremely capable. Occasionally ridiculous.
So what's the takeaway from all this?
AI is improving fast. And not in a straight line.
Competition is pushing everything forward at once.
Capabilities are expanding.
And so are the risks. And the real question isn't, is AI dangerous?
It's how do we use it responsibly while it's evolving this quickly?
And maybe also, How do we keep up?
That too.
That's it for episode 30 of AI Desk.
If you feel like things are moving fast,
You're not imagining it.
see you next time.
Probably after 3 more model updates.